Yay! Adesso che c'è trovato. Watch raconte Eddie's relationship with
Bendy and
Bendy.
the Ink Machine.
Lumikono kumasa na po kasi.
Boris! Oh, you scared me to death. Don't suppose you found anything we can use to protect ourselves with?
Chakadib. Beautiful. I know.
Look around. It took so many of them to make me so beautiful. It made me an angel. Angel. My machines are hungry.
Now, let us begin our work.
Yes, yes. I'm back.
Another day, another dollar.
Another day, another dollar. Hey, what's up? Bye.
Everyone's walking around here like Grandma just died. Nothing but angry faces everywhere. These people gotta lighten up. I mean, hello, you make cartoons. Your job is to make people laugh. I'm telling you, if these people don't start cracking a smile every now and then, I'm out of here.
I'm hiding.
Have you met him? The Ink Demon. They say he hears everything. Every creak of the floor. Every rustle of paper. I wouldn't run so fast if I were you. You never know what will draw him in.
Ok. Quello di fatto. In gaming on. Tamam geçersin ne yapar? Ama bakayım afişini öyle. Tamam. Sıra.
One down.
Churi go. Finish.
This one's empty. Nothing in here.
Alright, awesome. What's up? Mengenai bertepi. Anggon di. tiêu mình sắp bắt đăng ở tiêu trai nào mà Nagayasaka raw saka ko nga anak saka mga do ba? Baka siya magkakasya pitak diba? Ay.
Ah, that should be plenty. Return them to me. And try not to die on the way back.
Sammy said I had talent. He was always a good liar. Still, he was once a very handsome man.
Nó giặc bớt.
Have you seen them? The swollen ones. They're just stuffed full of extra thick ink. It makes me sick. And yet, it's the perfect thing for keeping myself together. If you're gonna catch them, you'll have to learn to move quietly. Come back to my door. I have something that you'll need.
Enggak. Ini tinggal sih setting oh. Tidak. Man. Yang ada Showa. Suzukan. Hey, bitch.
Makes my skin crawl. But the task is done. Bring me back my equipment, please.
Có nội dung đơn kính đồ.
Once upon a time, there was an angel, and she was beautiful and loved by all.
She was perfect. No matter what Joey says.
Ok. Chọc đi cho cuối cùng cái chân và nó phải là cùng đi cùng lạc sơ chỉ ông này gì hơn. Đi.
I'll make this simple. Look for valve pads. Turn the little wheels. Then bring me their power cores. Please don't make me regret sparing you. I can always change my mind.
Power core. Bùm tức. Ta tên gì chăn góc. Okay.
I better get overtime for this.
Thank you, power core. Run put to pick. Very slow. Finally. Mình còn đưa bụt trục cả biết.
Quite the efficient little errand boy, aren't you?
Easy squishy. Còn chắc ba mi một cặp rồi, nó ta mất chân. Sau. Hoặc là trong nó một ta trả lên trên này mình đã được nè.
There was a time people knew my name. It's Alice Angel, they'd say. Feels like so long ago. But those days can come back. Dreams come true, Susie. Dreams come true.
No, Forest is taken. Kena tersenal ya. Dah. Kita yang masak tu amazing ya, tak apa. Dah hawa nak maksud nasak.
You see those grinning demons? Let's remove them, shall we? I've got just the tool to make this even more enjoyable.
Yeah.วันนี้ก็เหนียวหน่อมบังในกุ้ง
You say, the never actually tells us little people anything. Oh, sure. According to him, there's always big stuff coming. Adventure and fame and the like. But I'm the guy, see, who has to make sure our budgets don't go all out of whack just because genius upstairs went out and got himself another idea. Speaking of which, this is top secret. Apparently Mr. Drew has another large project in mind now. And it ain't gonna be cheap.
Okay. 벌써 영리학 글씨. Whoa. Đẹp là vì sau đó rock vượt cả sư Natas Nakalabas chết cặp là tả sớm
Now that was fun. Oh, but I forgot to mention, he hates it when I do this. I would hide if I were you.
Punching in.
the silence, don't you?
Oh, I hate leaving work unfinished. Fortunately, I have you to pick up the pieces. But you'll have to go even deeper. Down, down, down into the abyss. Take the lift down. Say hello to an old friend. Sending you a little present. A little firepower. Take good care of it. It belonged to someone very special. I forgot. It's a little hard to get a hold of. Oh well. Better luck next time.
Hey, Jogami. Hey, Jogami.
There he is. The projectionist. Skulking in the darkness. You be sure to stay out of his light. If you don't want trouble. Just bring me back the pieces I need.
Okay. May nakatapos siya ka. For the record. Ano sabi na combat yung marin na pinok. Easy peasy. Bangas, oh. 살아가는 친구 내가 안 잘 작지만
No, I'm not looking for trouble. It's just the nature of us projections. Company. That projection, as they always say, creeping around. He's just looking.
Tell me, are they still writhing in your hands? Bring them to me. Now! I don't like to wait.
비슈
It seems we've reached the end of my to-do list, my little errand boy. I hope you enjoyed our time together. I'll always treasure it. Return to the lift. It's time to go home.
Have you ever wondered what heaven is like? I like to dream that it's quite beautiful. A soft valley of green grass, blanketed by a warm sun. I don't think I'll ever get to see it. Are you ready to ascend, my little errand boy? The heavens are waiting.
Do you really think I let you steal from me? Really think I just let you go? No, Henry. I know who you are, and I know why you're here, and you will not stop what needs to be done. Now come down and bring me back my forest! It's the most perfect forest I've ever seen, and I want it! I need it inside so I can be beautiful again! Don't you understand? Don't you get it? Give him to me! Yes! I'll take him!
Yup.
You're dead!
All right, Joey. I'm here. Let's see if we can find what you wanted me to see.
Yun, anak-anak ko. Pwede na sinakta. Pwede sinakta. Mas bye. Kasi mga Bye.